Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I did these 30-inch boho butterfly locks. Keep on watching. So these 30-inch boho butterfly locks was sent to me by Nasio Hair. I think that's how you pronounce it. They are an Amazon seller. These are handmade locks. Absolutely beautiful. This is in the color T350. Obsessed. Absolutely obsessed. These locks are beautiful. Let me give you a 360 and then we'll get into this hair. These locks are absolutely beautiful. Love the locks, love the color. These are butterfly locks. I did do the individual crochet method. I believe I have about 49 locks in. I did do a different parting method, so I'll have a detailed video of that coming up soon. But let's get into this hair. So they sent, inside of this bag was 6 packs. And this is the color T350. The 30-inch locks. I used 6 packs. No, I used 4 packs. So I have 6. I used 4 packs of the 6. So I have 2 packs left. So I'm just gonna open this up so that you can see what the hair looks like. So one full bundle is definitely enough for a full head, whether you do the individual method or if you crochet them in. I'm definitely going to save these because I will definitely be reinstalling these. But this is what the locks look like, fresh out of the packaging. Love that butterfly look. And then they come with the beautiful curls at the bottom. These are super cute. They've been up for a week now and the maintenance has been minimal. All I do is put my bonnet on. I do my edges in the morning. I do add some oil and do scalp massages every other day, every 3 to 4 days, just depending. I do use my Camille Rose mint spray for my scalp. But other than that, the maintenance is minimal. There's really not anything to do. There's nothing to do with the curls at the bottom. They don't tangle or anything. So this is the perfect style. This color is definitely giving all of the fall vibes. So let's get right into this tutorial. I did do the individual crochet method. So I crocheted the locks onto my hair, and then I used some Marley hair to wrap the root of the lock. I did use the color 350 in the Marley hair also, and then palm rolled it. That's it. Didn't use any glue or anything like that. Just palm rolled it and they stay right in place. Again, these have been up for a week now. They still look really good. Of course, I do have other campaigns to do and new styles to do, but I'm definitely going to try to hold on to these as long as possible. Plan on keeping them up for 3 weeks, but we will see. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this style in the comment section below. These down to the booty locks, I'm loving them. I mean, it's risque, but I'm here for it. So I will leave the link to these locks as well as the products that I use in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.